I was looking for some of these large ornamental nails that you put across a gate that make them look, it just gives them a little bit of zip. They're called Clavos, C-L-A-V-O-S. And wow, they were like $5 a piece. And I needed a bunch of them, so I thought there must be another way. And you know, necessity can be the mother of invention, but cheapness is my mother of invention sometimes. So let me show you how I took and used some simple carriage bolts and turned them into very good looking fake clavos that looked like they'd been hammered by a blacksmith for use. Join me now, please. So if you take a look at this carriage bolt, it's kind of squared off here around the bottom. And then on the top, they seem to always put some identification lettering. And to turn this into something that looks like an authentic clavos, here's the method that I would use. Just take it and set it right into a vise. And the first thing you do is pound away with the flat side of a ball-peen hammer to smash those letters and make them flat. Then after you've done that, put it back in the vise, get it good and tight, and now use this ball peen part, the ball, and hit it about 50 times.
Rotate this a little bit.
Then you get something that looks like that. Pretty cool, huh? I'm using this flat black Rust-Oleum paint to give it that non-shiny look like wrought iron, which I'm trying to simulate here. Now I just take the can lid after shaking it. I don't even use a brush because then I don't have to worry about streaks from the brush fibers. I just dab it on and get it around the edges real good. It leaves a really nice thick layer, and this stuff dries within about 10 minutes, so it's ready to go. Take a look at this. Looks just like the real thing to me, and I'm very happy with that. I ended up purchasing the larger size carriage bolt, 3.5 inches, and you can see I have nuts on the back side. It really makes a tight fence. This is a view from the outside. Very pleased with the way this turned out. Thanks for watching.